this video I want to show you our test which we have made with natural tile stones in order to create a water wall. So the customer asked us to plan a water wall, and so we did what we always do and what we really recommend. We tested those natural stone tiles before we did the planning and the installation. And they're actually the two most important things are here splashing and free falling drops and the color of the stone. Let's just begin with splashing. So we have tested the water distribution with different amounts of water. Well, it's not precise, but it's just the volume of water which we have driven across the surface. And you can see here at 25%, well, it's barely covering the whole thing. Then we opened the pump a little bit, and I think this has been the best setting with 50%. 75% creates too much streams, and I would say it's too much, and 100% is far too much. So okay, so we have found out that the water will splash accordingly a few centimeters here inside the front space. So this is to be considered when creating such a water wall before you deliver it. So you need to be aware that the water will leave the surface and go to free falling, which then creates splashes and noise. But another very important thing is, which you can see in this video very, very good, is that if you use a white background or a light background, you barely see the water. So we really, really recommend, when you create a water wall, don't use white or light backgrounds, because then your the water will disappear and you will barely see the wave. So really consider to take a dark background, which will be a nice contrast to the light reflections of the water. So this is just an example. If you're going to build a water wall, I recommend register for free at the Vavazen Water Wall School. You will find the link below. It's for free, and we also offer online courses how to build a water wall, and we also can help you build a business with water walls, and we also do live workshops. So I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.